As you begin working with Office 365, you might decide that you want to start moving files into your OneDrive that you've previously made and are saved someplace else. For instance, maybe you have a file saved on your desktop or in your L drive that you would like to upload to OneDrive. So in order to do this, we are going to begin by clicking on our OneDrive icon and going to see our files. From here, we're going to have two different options. We can upload either a single file or an entire folder from another location. It's important to note that wherever you currently are is where the files or folders will be uploaded to. For instance, right now I'm just in the basic place where my files are stored. You'll see where I created folders. If I would like to upload something and add it to the bottom of the list, I'm fine with being in this location. However, if I would like to upload files or folders to a more specific location, for instance, inside a folder I already have made, I would just need to be clicking on that folder before I begin the upload. So for instance, let's say I would like to upload a single file into my Math 2019 folder. I am right now in my Math 2019 folder, and to do this, I'm just going to click up top where it says Upload. Once I click on that, I'm going to see that I have two different options. I can either select to upload one single file or an entire folder. If I would just like to upload one single file, I click on File, and it's going to bring up a pop-up window that's going to allow me to search for that file that I would like. For instance, I have something saved on my L drive. I find the file that I want, I click on it, and I select Open. That is going to upload itself into my Math folder. If I'd like to navigate back to my basic file screen, I click on the word Files. If I would like to upload an entire folder, I go back to the same place where it says Upload, and I select Folder from the drop-down menu. The same thing is going to happen. It's going to allow me to navigate to the place where I would like to upload my folder from. And I can go and look for the folder that I would like. Once I've found that, I'm going to select Upload. You will notice that I did not choose to upload that entire folder into another folder. I just uploaded it into my basic files screen. So when I scroll down, you're going to see that that entire folder now lives there. The second option I have for uploading files or folders into my OneDrive is simply a drag and drop system. So if I close up my screen and make it a little bit smaller, I might be able to see my desktop at the same time. Any document that you have someplace, you can simply click on it and drag and drop it into your OneDrive, and you will notice that it uploads into that place. Again, if I would like to upload a file into a specific folder, I simply need to navigate to that folder first, and I can drag and drop anything into there. And you will see that. Just remember to get back to your file home screen, all of these links up top, you can select and click on them. So just to review, you have two different ways. You can upload both a file or a folder, and it will upload those documents into whichever place you currently are in.